A special drive checking was conducted all over the road of Agartala with the initiative taken by SP Kiran Kumar of West Station on Tuesday. 5 cars including the drivers were caught by the police. However, public are raising a question on police raising their hands on bikers in the name of checking. On account of taking an initiative to stop drink and drive, police conducted a special checking drive all over Agartala Road on Tuesday. SP Kiran Kumar of West Station took an initiative and police conducted a vehicle checking in different places all around Agartala including Ashram Chomni. Police arrested some of the car drivers who drink and drive and some who drive beyond the traffic rules. Likewise, some of the drivers who drive without the valid papers and without using seat belt were asked to pay a fine. Total 5 cars along with 5 persons were caught by the police. SP Kiran Kumar K also says that the notice of cancellation of their driving license will be sent. Likewise, he also requested to all the public to drive within the traffic rules and not to break them.
नाइट चेकिंग ड्राइव चल रहा है अगेंस्ट ट्रैफिक वायलेशन। इसमें हम लोग ड्रंकन ड्राइविंग बिना हेलमेट का जो चला रहा है और रैश ड्राइविंग और टिंटेड ग्लासेस जो लगा है, ये सब का खिलाफ हम लोग एक्शन ले रहे हैं।
तो अभी भी किसी को इस हालत में मिला क्या?
हाँ, ऑलरेडी हम लोग 5 लोगों को अरेस्ट किया है और 5 गाड़ी सीज किया है और इनका लाइसेंस सस्पेंशन के लिए भी हम लोग प्रेयर करेंगे।
सर, लोगों को क्या मैसेज देना चाहिए रात में जो लोग?
मैसेज है कि जो भी आप लोग जब गाड़ी चलाते हैं तो ट्रैफिक रूल्स फॉलो कीजिए। इसमें आपका भी सेफ्टी है और जो पेडेस्ट्रियन है और जो लोग दूसरे लोग जो गाड़ी चला रहे हैं उनका भी सेफ्टी है।
थैंक यू।
However, public are asking several questions on a police of why does they beat up some of the public in the name of vehicle checking. Is this written in any of the rules? During this vehicle checking, if some of them got injured because of police raising their hands on driver and kicking on their running bike, who will take the responsibility for them? Regarding this, public are raising different questions on police. Let us look on the footage of how some of the mafia police chase the running bike and raise their hands on them. Arresting the drug addict is good thing, but by taking commission from some of the drug dealer and police himself selling alcohol and supporting all the illegal deals in the state is bigger crime than those who consume it. Public of the state are worried and disheartened of. If the rules are being broke by the law-abided officer, then where will our state be in the future? Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.